Hi, I'm James with J&B TV. Today we're replacing a rear view mirror on a Chevy Tahoe or Suburban. It's the same on the left as it is the right. Now you may need to replace the rear view mirror if you get sideswiped, if something like this happens, or if it just simply stops working. All right, now we've got our replacement mirror. This one is a used one. It comes from the junkyard. They run about $30. You can probably get one offline for about the same price. Heated. 3 bolts and a plug-in. Pretty simple to install, but we're going to give you a walkthrough on it. Let's get it in. The only tool that you're going to need is a 10mm socket wrench. Take this panel, you pull it off. Underneath that, we've got a piece of foam. Go ahead and pull that out. Then you got a plug-in. You just disconnect the plug-in. Just pull it apart. It's got a little tab on it. And after that, you've got 3 bolts that hold it in. What I do is I loosen them all up first before I take them all out. If you can look in here, there's 3 tabs that hold this mirror on through the hole. So even after you get these bolts off, it'll still stay in place. It won't move on you. So take these off by hand. Be careful not to drop them in the door, because then you got to take the door panel off. Next, we're going to come around to the outside and just give it a good pull. There it is. It's off. To install the new one, you basically do that same operation in reverse. Put your cable through there and then line it up with the holes. Give it a little push so it pops in place. Those plastic tabs will hold it in place. So then what we're going to do is we're going to put the nuts back on. Tighten those up. Plug your plug-in back in. Make sure you line it up with the tab where it locks in place. Put that in, tuck it out the way. Put your piece of foam back on. Now this split goes to where the cable's at. So you just kind of want to line it up with that. It's not a huge deal if it doesn't line up. All right. Now you got this tab here. It'll go on the bottom. And it goes inside the metal. And then you just want to line up your 2 tabs with these slits. Give it a good smack, and that's it. Your new rear view mirror is installed. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Leave a comment if you'd like. Thanks for watching.